Hi, my name is Michael Grisafe. I graduated with a Master's of Public Health in Health Behavior and Health Education, and I also have a Master's of Information Science in Human-Computer Interaction and a Certificate in Health Informatics. Currently, I'm working for Improvement Path Systems as a Solutions Architect, which is basically a UX designer. A typical day for me, it really depends because a lot of times I go to different hospital sites in different states, and what my company does is software development and data analytics. So I'm responsible for actually putting together the screens that go with those. So if a doctor wants to know if they're appropriately staffed, I'll work with them to figure out what kinds of screens do they need, am I putting the buttons in the right place. I do a lot of usability testing and paper prototypes with them, and then I do higher fidelity mock-ups in digital form, and I also test those as well. So I'm kind of the go-between between the actual facility that needs this information, a hospital, and the actual program developers that program all of this information. One of the things that I like the most about my current position is that it's unpredictable. And I know for a lot of people that's scary, but every day when I go into work, it's a new problem that I'm trying to solve. A person is trying to figure out how to staff appropriately. They need a dashboard to track surgical patients. And so every day I get to basically figure out how I'm going to approach that and come up with a solution and involve the different teams that I work with on that. So it's very collaborative, I like that. I work with a lot of really smart, awesome people, so that's fun too. So one of the challenges, especially when I started this position, is it's very open and I'm given the freedom to basically determine how I'm approaching problems. And a lot of times in classes, you're given a very fixed set of things to work on. And one of the challenges at first was trying to figure out how to think outside the box and really continue learning. So that's what I always have to do. I keep up on journals, I read a lot. So that's one of the biggest challenges for me, but I also like it. So one word that I would use to describe my job is collaborative. I almost do nothing by myself. It's all a team effort. So I'm constantly talking to the clients. I'm working with programmers, coworkers, people that have knowledge in this specific domain. So nothing happens by itself. So in particular, one of the classes that helped me out with this was program development, because that class forced everyone to be very collaborative and really laid the foundation for what I'm doing right now.